How are you? Today I am with you, Travel Dawn. I'm going to give you few tips when you are going to start travel to Turkey. So that is very important tips. So the first thing is that when you're going to arrive on Istanbul or any other airport of Turkey, so you need 10 lira. Lira is the Turkish currency. You need it to get the trolley to carry your luggage. So if you don't have the cash money, so then you can use your credit card or debit card to get the trolley. The other thing, when you will come out from that departure launch, then you have to get SIM card. SIM card is very important to do all your activities and get the GPRS and all other information, as you know that you need that the SIM card. And the best SIM card there is a Turkcell. Turkcell is a company which is the provider of cellular phone. So you can get that Turkcell SIM card. After that, the other thing that what is the most important now, what I'm going to tell you, you need HES code. HES code is without the HES code, you are not able to uh, get that public transport. You are not able to enter in any malls or in any shopping centers. So you have to get that HES code. And HES code, how you can get, you can just send a SMS on 2023 on your phone. And but when while you sending 2023 SMS on this number, what you have to write down, you have to write down HES, then your name, then space, your country name, space, your passport number, space, your date of birth, and you have to send it. Then you're going to receive a message, and then that is your HES code. And after that HES code, the other thing is for public transport. Most of the people that you need a Istanbul card. So here is the Istanbul card, what I'm showing you, and on this card you can see there is a written www.istanbulcard.istanbul. So you have to go in that website, and there is a two three things will come, and then you have to check that where is written HES. So you will press the HES. Then there will be two options. Either you can use the Turkish language or you can use the English. So obviously, if you are not Turkish, so you are going to be in English. Then you have to fill up all your details, and then your card, this Istanbul card, is connected to the HES code. Then you will be able to travel around. And this is very important thing. And the other thing I want to tell you, when you are be in Istanbul, so you have to be very careful. Wherever you're going to buy your things, you have to be careful because negotiation so high. They will even tell you 500 lira, and in the end they will be give you 70 lira for the same thing. So that is also very important tip. You have to be careful from airport up to each and every shopping centers. And from the airport is very easy. You can get the Hawa bus, and it will charge you 24 lira, and it will take you to right in the center of Istanbul. And its last stop is Taksim Square. So that is the center of Istanbul. From there, if you want to go some other areas, you can get taxi. But even in the taxi, you have to check the meter is on. If meter is not on, you can ask him to switch on your meter. It will be easy for you. So in other videos, I will also tell you how to get the Istanbul card and other important information. So today is my first day. I'm going to start showing you the videos of my Turkey trip. Thank you very much. Stay with me and please like my channel and subscribe it. You are going to get very good videos.